everybody, this is Jim again with Dakota Boat Retriever, and today I want to show you how to install your pedestal pin in Dakota properly, and to show you how you can use it in the front pedestal pole or the rear pedestal pole. Okay, once you've received your Dakota, you'll find in your box your pedestal pin, and on the back of it you'll see instructions. Okay, now this is how you install the pedestal pin. Simply get a few threads started, screw it down snug, and take a 1/2 inch wrench on this chamfered edge and give it a little snug. And you're ready to install in your front pedestal pole or rear. Okay, we've had a couple of clients to call in and thought they needed to order a new pedestal pin because they lost it, when in actuality it had actually dropped into the pole. And that's a simple fix, you can get it out. Now then, what caused that is some of these poles are a little bit tighter than others, and it grabs the pedestal pin, and as Dakota's pivoting, it will actually unscrew Dakota. And if you don't check the tightness of this pin on occasion, you can lose your pedestal pin and it will simply drop into here. So when I install a pedestal pin in my Dakota, and I recommend this for everybody, but I put it down finger tight, and then I put a pretty good pull on it, and that should be enough for anyone to always launch their boat with the ped pin. But I've got another fix for those of you that want to really make sure it's not going to come out. You can take just Loctite and back on about the 2nd or 3rd thread, just put a drop onto the ped pin, and actually you can use anything that's waterproof and tacky. I mean, you could even paint the threads. As it keeps the metal, as you're traveling down the road or wherever you're going, it keeps that vibration from metal to metal, and it doesn't allow the metal to vibrate and come loose. And it doesn't hurt anything, and this ped pin will be here for the rest of my life.